can take a lot to change minds in some cases. The Rotochopper definitely came in and kind of blew our expectations. And I mean, just the screen change alone, because all those guys in the yard, they're the ones that get stuck doing the 4-hour screen change, lifting up screens by hand off a pallet and throwing them in. And that's dangerous work. It's not safe to change screens. It's honestly where a lot of injuries can come from, are from screen changing and things like that, which you'd think in a grinder, grinding would be the most dangerous part about it, but just changing screens was. And just the setup that you guys have with the hoist and just the 2 screens make it so much easier and safer. That was the big thing. And honestly, Jason told us that. Jason's like, the screen change is going to be awesome, and we're like, okay, yeah, sure. Like, that's screen change could definitely be a reason that we totally change what we're doing and buy a whole new product. But it was, like, and the machine works really good. It's really straightforward. And 2 things that got us was the 12-minute screen change, which we timed you. Like, every time you guys changed screens, we timed you guys, and we're like, dang, that's so fast. That's amazing. And then the other one was when we ran logs over at the Ina Road facility, and the machine was just so smooth. Like, the downswing just keeps the log in place. It doesn't bump or hop. It doesn't sound like you're tearing up the machine when you're running a log through it, which with the other kinds of grinders, it's always like such a rattle. Just so much movement in the hopper and in the feed that it can be kind of scary, but it's just so smooth. And I think those are the 2 things where Todd and I, who were like not exactly on the Rotochopper team at the time, were like, that's amazing. Like, this is the direction Jason wants to go. We'll both be very happy about it.
That's my biggest thing that I see about the Rotochoppers is ease of maintenance is way better, way quicker to do everything. That's probably my biggest plus when it comes to Rotochopper.